guys, so we're back here with 1 point perspective. We're going to do a room. First thing, obviously, you're going to have your horizon line, and I've got my vanishing point there, okay? Now, the next thing you want to do is draw a square, okay? I'm not going to go all the way to the edge, right? And remember that my dry erase board kind of represents your piece of paper, okay? So in your piece of paper, this might be about this big. So you've got a square, you've got your vanishing point and your horizon line, okay? So what you want to do is you're going to take your ruler, line it up on your vanishing point and the corner of that square, and draw a line going the rest of the way, okay? Then this corner and your vanishing point, draw a line going up there. Then this corner, so I'm lining it up on my vanishing point and my corner, right? Draw that line. And then this vanishing point in this corner, oh, no, my ruler didn't go all the way. Okay. So now that I've got this, I really do not need my horizon line. Keep my vanishing point in the same place, right? You don't want to move your vanishing point or use more than one vanishing point. You just want that one. And the horizon line is really just to kind of give you a place to put your vanishing point. So can you already see that I've got a floor, the back wall, a ceiling, and 2 walls, okay? So let's say I want to put a door in on this side, right? And it's just kind of the side of the box that you've been drawing. So you're going to start with your vertical line, right? Go ahead and put those in. And then this line that's horizontal, I have to use the point to draw it. Remember, there's only 3 types of lines: vertical, horizontal, and to the point, right? Vertical, okay, horizontal, and going to the point. So anything that's going to be on this back wall will be horizontal. So like, let's say I want to put, I'm just going to put, I've got a painting hanging on this back wall, let's say. Okay, that's going to look just like the front of those boxes that you've been drawing. Right? Here's my painting with my people. Yay! Or maybe it's a family photo. Yay! If it's happening over here on these walls or the floor, right? If I see these lines going this way, I'm going to have to go that way. Okay? So let's say over here, maybe I'm going to have a window, right? And a window is made up of vertical and horizontal lines. So these lines have to be drawn using the point. Basically, the rule kind of is, if it looks kind of funny, you probably drew it wrong. So go back to your 3 types of lines: vertical, horizontal, and to the point, right? Now, when I draw my window, to find the center of the window so I can put the panes, what you're actually going to do is, once you've drawn it, you're going to draw an X in the middle. Okay, there's my center. I'm going to line that center up with my point and get those window panes in there. All right, I don't really need the X anymore, so I'm going to take that out. All right, there's your window. All right, here's my door. Oh, I forgot my doorknob. You want to put a rug on the floor. Well, let's do a piece of furniture. So a piece of furniture is going to be just like a box, okay? So I'm going to put it over here into the window, and I'm going to start right here where the ceiling meets the wall, okay? This line. I'm going to go right there. I'm just going to draw a vertical line, and I'm going to start my box right there. Just like you guys just drew 10 boxes, that's all I'm doing. Okay? Where you drew your square or rectangle first. right? And then from these 3 corners, I'm going to go to the point, just like you did on your boxes. I don't want to go all the way because then I'm going to have to erase it. Why bother? So I'm just going to go a little bit. I'm lined up, right? Go to this corner. I'm just going to go ahead and erase this line because I know I'm not going to need it. From that corner to the point. From this corner to the point. Then I can pop in my verticals. Again, I don't need some of these wall lines. Okay, so this just looks like the box that you just drew, but you can turn that into a dresser, you can turn it into a couch. You know, if you wanted to do, pretend I'm using my ruler, but these lines would go to the point. All right, these are vertical, 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 to the point, to the point. All right, I want you guys to make sure you draw them to the point, but automatically you've got a dresser, right? You can break up any piece of furniture into the boxes that you guys have been practicing. So it looks a little complicated, but it's actually not as complicated as you think it is. Okay. If I wanted to do like floorboards, I would divide up this floor. I'm just going to go every inch. And then use that little mark I made and the point. And my board here has an edge, so my ruler can't go off the edge there. I'm using the point and that little mark I made. Right, you can start breaking up. You could put a rug there if you wanted. You just have to remember, you've only got 3 types of lines, right? Vertical, horizontal, and the orthogonals, which are the lines going to the point, right? All of these are orthogonals. So if you're not sure which one it is, try out all of them, right? Is this going to be vertical? No, that looks weird. Is this going to be horizontal? No, that looks weird. Oh, it must be going to the point. You can set it up that way. So we'll go over how to do different pieces of furniture, but this is a good start for getting your room set up. Okay? Let's get started.